Lags and freezes are among the most common issues you might encounter even if you own a premium device like the Galaxy Z Flip 4. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy Z Flip 4 that keeps lagging or freezing. But before we move on, please share and like our videos so we can help other users who might have this problem. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do to fix the problem. First solution, close all apps running in the background. One of the reasons issues like this occur is due to apps left running in the background. Perhaps the CPU and RAM cannot cater all of it and causes the device to lag. So, what we have to do now is to close all of it at once. Here's how you do it. Tap on the Recent Apps key. This will show you the apps that are still running. Tap Close All to force them to stop. After closing all running apps in the background, use your phone again and observe if the issue continues. If so, proceed to the next method. Second solution, force restart your Galaxy Z Flip 4. If closing all apps is unable to fix the issue, there is a chance that the issue is caused by a glitch in the system. Doing a forced restart will refresh the memory of your phone and reload all its services. So, if this is just a glitch in the system, then this procedure will surely fix it. This is how you do a forced restart on your phone. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to finish the boot process. After the procedure, use your phone and see if it still lags. If so, proceed to the next method. Third solution, reboot your phone in safe mode. If you downloaded a bunch of third-party apps on your device, that could be the reason your phone is lagging. It's possible that one or a couple of the apps is incompatible on the system and triggers your device to function poorly. To eliminate this suspicion, all you need to do is boot your Galaxy Z Flip 4 in safe mode. Booting in this mode will prevent all third-party apps from running and only the pre-installed ones will run in the system. So, while in safe mode and your phone won't lag, then obviously there's an app you need to uninstall to resolve the issue. This is how you boot in safe mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers to view the quick settings panel and then tap the power icon. Tap and hold the power off option until it changes into safe mode. Tap the safe mode icon to restart your device. Once the reboot is successful, you should see safe mode at the lower left corner of the screen. However, if your phone still lags while in this mode, then follow the next procedure. Fourth solution, reset all settings. It's possible that due to a misconfiguration of the phone's settings, the device will function poorly. So, what you have to do now is to reset all the settings of your Galaxy Z Flip 4. Doing this will bring back all the settings configuration to its factory default. Swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down. Tap the settings icon on the upper right corner. Scroll to and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. Once the procedure is finished, your phone will reboot and you will have to reconnect to a network to get a connection. But at this point, the problem should already be fixed. We hope that this guide can help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.